good, YouTube? Check this out, man. As you can tell, we're not back home no more. We're not in the H. We are in San Francisco. We came back again for the second year to check out the Lowrider Super Show. Also, we're gonna have a special guest on one of the videos coming up, man. So stay tuned, man.
Damn it, boy. You know you're fat when you think a 40-minute walk is gonna be nice to go pick up a rental car. But we're barely halfway there and we died. But the view though, the view is good. So let me get my fat ass over there and get you some more video, man. We made it, man, and we still alive, man. But check the little mini meat that we're gonna get today. You already know my cheap ass, one of the cheapest car that we can get, and here we are. I want to get the keys real quick, so let's go. We stopped by to get some grub, man, and damn, look what we got over here. Beautiful hot rod. Man, she's a beauty. But hold up, man. Look at this monster right here. Ooh. Man, I love screw. Two beautiful rides, man. Just chilling. What's good, YouTube, man? So we are at the first show of Bay Bombs. We came with Mike and man, check this out. They got a little bit of everything. They still got cars coming in. They got two big shows today, so we're gonna stop by, check this one out first, and look some of the rides in the background, man. So let me go get some footage, man. Hell yeah, man, we're gonna try to get some video. We're gonna be here for about an hour, so I'm not trying to get as much as I can. But man, look at these beautiful Belaires, man. Big show. It is a pretty big show. They got two sides. They got more cars over there. I'm not gonna be able to get everything, but I'm gonna try to get as much as I can. That way I can check out some of these rides, man. One of the things that I've been looking at this show is they got a little bit of everything, man. So it's a good. You got your trucks, you get your 40s, 50s, 60s. They got some G bodies on the other side. Man, it's nice. It's nice out here. So let's go check out some of these rides, man. also got a lot of vendors today. And this is different show than what I'm used to, you know. But hey, nice little show, man. Pretty big. Like I said, we're only gonna be here for an hour. Not enough time to get everything, but I want to give you a little bit of everything, man, that they got going on over here. Y'all already know how much I like wagons, man, but check this Woody out.